Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a very cool paper snake, just like this one here. This origami is super easy to fold, and you can tweak it however you like. All you need is a square piece of paper. I am using 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, but you can use a smaller square if you want. And our first step is to fold it in half along both diagonals. So we are going to bring one corner to the other. Make a crease in the middle. We unfold and repeat on the opposite diagonal. Now, to make things easier, let's rotate the paper like this. Fold the right and left corners to the middle. After that, we are basically going to repeat the same step by folding both sides to the middle again. And again, let's repeat the same step. Now unfold the paper completely. Rotate so the creases are horizontal. And using the creases we made, start by folding the corner down here. Then bring the next fold up, creating this triangular pattern. And keep following the same logic until the middle. Once you finish this side, rotate the paper and do the same with the other side. Reinforce everything at the end. And hold the paper like this. Now we're going to fold the top part back right along this line here on the third section. Now fold the corners of the same fold to make these diagonal marks. Unfold this part. Rotate the paper. Flip it over. Let's close the larger section. Then close the smaller section over the larger one. To make the head, first you're going to fold along this line here. Then fold also this corner. And unfold both. Open this part. Bring the paper forward. Close it as before, making the top side reversed and all in the same color. Using the other marks we made, let's reverse this corner here. Once done, open the head part a bit and fold a part of the corner inside to keep this section closed. And there you have it, the head part is all set. At the end of the tail, fold the paper along this line here just to make a crease. Open it up, push the corner using the marks, and close it again. To create a better result, open the paper again and fold the two corners. Then close. And our paper snake is almost ready. For the final touch on the other side, we're going to fold each of these triangles in half, creating a cool zigzag pattern. Start with the first line. Then do the same on the next triangle. Follow the same logic until the end. You can fold this final section if you want, but I think it looks pretty cool as it is. Give this part a little tweak. For an even nicer finish, you can curve the very end of the tail slightly. And now, our origami snake is ready! Like I said at the beginning, it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward, The origami looks very good like this, it has a very nice details, but you can add a few more, like by drawing the eyes or attaching a red piece of paper to make the tongue, but that's all up to you. I hope you had fun, thank you very much for watching, see you in the next video.